Assalamualaikum students. Chapter number 1, number and arithmetic operations. And as you know, in this chapter the topic which we are learning is addition and subtraction. So in this video these are the learning objectives. Number 1, I will tell you about the addends, the minuend and the subtrahend. What are these words? And then I will tell you that how to find the missing addend when the sum is given to you. And in the last, I will tell you how to find the missing subtrahend or minuend when the difference is given to you. So before starting, let me tell you that what are the addends and what is sum. Students, in addition, the numbers that are added with each other are called addends and the answer is called sum. Like in this example, 176 plus 82. These numbers are added with each other, so these numbers are called addends and their answer, that is 258, their answer is called sum. Now students, first we learn how to find the missing addend when the sum is given. Okay, before starting, remember one thing, that to find the missing addend, subtract the given numbers. It's mean whenever we have to find the missing addend, we will subtract the given numbers. Okay. Now for example, we have given 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. We all know that when 10 is added to the number 5, the answer is 15. If I remove 10, then it will become like this. If I remove 10, then it is the missing addend plus 5. 5 is also addend is equal to 15. 15 is a sum. So in this example, we have one addend missed, one is given, and their sum is given. Or maybe the question is given to you like this: what must be added to 5 to make 15? So how to find the missing addend? Do remember that whenever we have to find the missing addend, we always subtract the given numbers, and the given numbers are the another addend and the sum. So we will subtract the given addend from the given sum. So in the solution, we will write the given numbers vertically, like in this form. First number will be the bigger number, that is our sum 15, and the second number will be smaller number, that is another addend 5. Then we will subtract these numbers and we will get our answer 10. And we know that this missing number is 10, as you see here. And then we can write our answer statement as 10 must be added to 5 to make 15. Students, this is a very simple example I gave you. Now let's move to some another examples. Students, as you know that we are solving the examples in which we are finding the missing addends. But before starting this example, let me tell you once again that you have to remember this thing, that to find the missing addend, you always subtract the given numbers. You will always subtract the given numbers. So in this example, we have given what must be added to 236,134 to make 732,121. This number is the addend and this number is the sum, and we have to find the other addend that must be added to this addend to make this sum. So in the solution, first we will copy these two numbers. Two numbers means the sum and the given addend in the vertical form to perform the subtraction. Then after writing these numbers in the vertical form, we will subtract these numbers to find our missing addend. Okay, after subtracting you will find your answer, that is in this example answer is 495,987. This is the number that was missing, and our answer statement can be written as 495,987 must be added to 236,134 to make 732,121. This statement means if you will add this addend to this addend, then you will get the sum this. Now in subtraction, let me tell you what is minuend, what is subtrahend and what is the difference. Students, in subtraction, the first number from which another number is to be subtracted is called the minuend. And the second number which is to be subtracted from the first number is called the subtrahend. And their answer is called the difference. Like in this example, number 8 is called minuend because the another number 3 is to be subtracted from 8, and 3 is called subtrahend because 3 is to be subtracted from 8, and their answer is 5. So this is called their difference. Now students, let me tell you that how to find the missing subtrahend while the minuend and the difference is given to us. But before starting our example, you have to remember this thing that to find the missing subtrahend, here also you have to subtract the given numbers, and here the given numbers will be the minuend and the difference. Students, look at this example carefully. In this example, the first number, as you know, first number is called a minuend. So minuend is given to us. Then the minus sign, and this is the missing number. And you know, second number is the subtrahend. So in this example, subtrahend is missing. And this is the answer, and you know the answer is called the difference. So in this example, minuend is given, subtrahend is missing, and difference is given. And what we have to do, we have to find this missing subtrahend. And you know that whenever we have to find the missing subtrahend, what we will do, we will subtract the given numbers. What are the given numbers? Given numbers are the minuend and the difference. So in the solution, again we will write these two numbers in the vertical form first before starting subtraction. In writing the numbers vertical form, we will always keep the biggest number at the top. In this example, the minuend is the biggest. So our first number will be the minuend, second number will be the difference, this number, and then we will subtract these two numbers to find the subtrahend. So this is our subtrahend, that is 12,849. So we can write our answer that 36,738 minus 12,849 is equals to 23,889. You can also check your answer in the rough column by subtracting these two numbers, and you will get this difference as your answer. So students, this is our another example. In this example, you will learn how to find the missing minuend. In the previous example, you learned how to find the missing subtrahend. In this example, I will tell you that how to find the missing minuend. And you know what is minuend? Minuend is the first number. Okay, but before starting the example, you have to remember this thing that to find the missing minuend, you always add the given numbers. So this is the difference between this example and the previous all examples, that in the previous examples we subtracted the given numbers, but when we have to find the missing minuend, we will not subtract the given numbers, we always add the given numbers, and you must remember this thing. Okay, now this is our example. In this example, you can see our first number is missing, and you know first number is the minuend number. So in this example, minuend is missing. Then the minus sign, and second number is given to us, and you know second number is the subtrahend and is equals to this number. This is the answer, and the answer is called difference. So in this example, minuend is missing, subtrahend is given, and the difference is given to us. Now in the solution, what we will do, we will add the given numbers. Given numbers means the subtrahend and the difference. So before starting addition, we will write the numbers in the vertical form like this. and then we will add the given numbers to find the missing minuend. So this is the missing minuend, that is 36,738. This is our answer. So we can write our answer like this: 36,738 minus 12,849 is equals to 23,889. Again, you can check your answer for your satisfaction by subtracting these two numbers, and you will get this number as your answer, and this number is called difference. So students, we have found our missing minuend. Students, let me tell you one more thing, that here a question is arised that why we are perform addition here, why not subtraction? So the answer is, as you know students, then in subtraction the first number is always the biggest number, or in the other words you can say that in the subtraction minuend is the biggest number as compared to the subtrahend and the difference. So whenever we will find the missing minuend, we do not subtract the given numbers, we always add the given numbers to find the minuend, because if we subtract the given numbers, the resulting number will be the smallest number and minuend is the biggest number. That's why we always add up the given numbers to find the missing minuend. Students, I hope you understand all the things. Keep practicing to make the things more clear. Good luck.